Good morning everyone. Myself I am first year BPT student. So today we will discuss about the synapse of the physiology. So now let us discuss about the synapse. So what is synapse? The specialized junction at which a neuron communicated with a target cell. Which target cell? Of the neuron, any muscle and any glands. So at a synapse, a neuron releases chemical transmitter that activates special cells called receptor on the target cell. It is not an anatomical condition, but it is only a physiological continuity between the nerve cells. So let us discuss about the structure of the synapse. The synapse structure consists of the presynaptic ending, postsynaptic ending, and synaptic clefts. Presynaptic ending that contain the neurotransmitter, mitochondria, and the cell organs. Postsynaptic ending that contains receptor site of the neurotransmitter. Synaptic cleft of the space between the presynaptic and the postsynaptic ending. It is the which nanometer wide. So then let us discuss about the structure of the synapse. So it is the one neuron and it is the other neuron. It is the presynaptic neuron and the postsynaptic neuron. Presynaptic neuron are released to the chemical transmitter and any material in the chemical, and postsynaptic neuron are collect to the any neuron and the end cells. So let us discuss about the classification of the synapse. So mainly two types of the classification of the synapse. One of the anatomical classification and the two is the functional classification. Anatomical classification is the mainly three subtypes: exogenic, exodendritic, and exosomatic. So let us discuss about the classification of the synapse. So mainly two types of the classification of the synapse. One of the anatomical classification and the two is the functional classification. Anatomical classification is the mainly three subtypes: exogenic, exodendritic, and exosomatic. Now let us discuss about the anatomical synapse. Anatomical synapse is the three types. Mainly one type of the exodendritic synapse. Exodendritic synapse is the axon of the one neuron and the dendrite of the another neuron. So it is the one neuron and the another neuron. One neuron of the dendrite axon and another neuron of the axon of the neuron. It between the space of the synapse. So now let us discuss about the anatomical synapse. And the second type, exoexonic synapse. Exoexonic synapse is the axon of the one neuron and synapse with axon of the other neuron. This picture as the exoexonic synapse. One neuron of the axon and the another neuron of the axon are connected to the exoexonic synapse. Then third type of the anatomical synapse is the exosomatic synapse. Exosomatic synapse is the axon synapse with the soma. Which type of the soma? Soma is the cell body. It is the axon and it is the body. Axon is the axon of the one neuron and the another neuron of the cell body. Then let us discuss about the functional synapse. Functional synapse is the mainly two types: electrical synapse and the chemical synapse. Now let us discuss about the functional synapse. Then functional synapse one of the electrical synapse. Electrical synapse also called a gap junction. It is the type of the synapse where two neurons are present directly connected. It is the electrical synapse and its junctions are directly connected and allows for the rapid transfer for electrical synapse between them. Then second type of the chemical synapse. Chemical synapse is the type of the neural connection where a signal is transmitted through the release of neurotransmitter from one neuron to another neuron. One neuron is the presynaptic neuron and the another neuron is the postsynaptic neuron. Across the small gap called the synaptic cleft. It is the chemical synapse. It is the not directly connected to the another neuron. So today we have discussed about the synapse. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.